So now let's move to our next type of preposition. In the previous class we have discussed about at or in, and now we will discuss about on. On is used with days, dates, birthdays, etc. We went to see a movie on Tuesday. He was born on October 3rd, 1980. We congratulated him on his birthday. We gave them a gift on their 20th marriage anniversary. Note, we use on with the morning, afternoon, evening also. But when they are modified. They reached here on a hot morning, hot afternoon. How is the noon? It is a hot. It is modified. So here we can use on. People did not come out of their houses on a night like this. We went for fishing on a pleasant morning. So what kind of morning is there? It is pleasant. It means the morning is modified. So here also we can use preposition on. Now let's move to our next preposition, that is during. During may be used instead of in with periods of the day, months, seasons, years, decades, and centuries to express the idea that something continues throughout the whole of a specified period. During the war, many people were killed. We work during the day and sleep during the night. It means during is used instead of in. We try to contact people during October. During the 90s, many taxes were imposed. She used to ring up many times during the week. During the journey, I came to respect her. Okay, I hope with the examples you have cleared that where the preposition of during is used. The next preposition is by. By is used to indicate the latest time at which an action will be finished. Again, by is used to indicate the latest time. Okay, when the action is finished or will be finished. He will finish this work by 5 o'clock. By that time the moon was up. You must come to me by 8 a.m. Application must be received by 10th of May. By can be used instead of during with almost the same. Okay, so instead of during we can use by also. We took rest by day and traveled by night. By mid-afternoon, about 5,000 people had wished the exhibition. Now the next preposition is for. For is used with the periods of time to indicate how long an action lasts. It is generally used with a perfect tense, but it is also used with the other tense also. They have lived here for 5 years. It rained continuously for 12 hours. We stayed there for 15 days. They have been working for 2 hours. She will not be here for another 3 hours. The next is since. Since is used with the point of time in the past form. Since is used in the point of time in the past form, from which some action began and it continues till the time of speaking. For which some action began and it continues till the time of speaking. It is generally used with a perfect tense. He has lived here since 1980. Everything has changed since the last summer. It has not rained since the end of June. He had been writing novels since he was 30 years old.